Okay, so before this video starts, I want to thank my brother for helping me with this. It's a question I've wanted to find out for a little while, and we had a lot of fun with it. But, anyways, let's start the video. Okay, let's see how fast this thing will go into the thing. We're gonna measure how fast it's going by seeing how many feet it's going per second. Not sure if I said that right, but let's do it.
It's broken. When?
Now.
Okay.
Okay, now.
No. Stop. No. Keep going. Stop. Keep going. Stop. Start.
As I was holding it, it hit one of my fingers and it kind of broke. Wait, can you show him the damage, Lynn? Alright, now we're moving on to the 25 foot. The last one was 16 foot, and this one might be quite a bit different from the 16 foot. Not just because of it's longer, it's also a little bit older, so it's probably not as fast as it used to be. But anyways, we'll look over the data afterwards. Alright, for the 16-foot one, it looked like about 0.72 seconds, but I wanted to add an extra 0.3 seconds because it looks like the tape measure got a little bit of a head start, so 0.75. Okay, so now on to the 25-foot one. So it looks like we started it off pretty evenly, and right as the thing went behind the screen is right where the main part of the tape measure was. So we got our number of 1.70. So what are we gonna do with these two numbers? Well, let me show you. Okay, so for our 0.75, we divide that by 16 to get roughly how fast it'll be going in 1 second. Now, I did that, and it looks like it's going around 21 feet per second, so not too bad. Now we times that by 60, we times it by 60 again, and then we divide it by, of course, 5,280, and we get our number of 14 miles per hour. So that's usually how fast somebody sprints, so that's pretty fast. Alright, now we divide 170 by 25, and we get our answer of 14 feet per second. And then, of course, we times it by 60, times it by 60 again, and then divide it by 5,280 to get our answer of 10 miles per hour. So, you know, not too bad. I mean, I think that's running. I mean, that's pretty fast jogging at least, so not that bad. Okay, so now we are moving on to the metric system, because the standard system doesn't really have anything standard about it. Most countries just use the metric system, so here you go. Okay, so we already know the 16-foot one went about 21 feet, and we just times that by 60 twice, and then divide it by 3,280 and we get around 21, kilometers per second. I almost said miles there, but I mean, pretty good. Alright, now the 25-foot one. We already know it was going at 14 feet per second, and so we just times that by 60 twice, and we divide it by 3,280, and we get around 15 miles per calendar. Don't ask me what happened there. I'm not really sure, but you know what I meant. Anyways, I'm gonna post the speed of the tape measures and miles per hour and kilometers per hour somewhere on the screen. So there you go. This was pretty cool. I'm not gonna make another comeback video or anything like that. I kind of just want to be back. But I'll see you guys later, and bye.